Don't touch me! What is wrong with you, psychopath?
On May 8, 2022, an officer was dispatched in response to a report of a person attempting to jump from a moving vehicle. Upon arriving at the scene, the officer observed a suspicious white vehicle stopped in the middle of the road. As he approached, an aggressive woman began shouting at him.
I'm getting out of the car. Please help me.
She has my keys.
I took the keys out of a drunk. She drank an entire. In this car.
Okay, come on.
I'm coming. I'm gonna grab my car. My stuff. Yes, I did. She's a communist and she hit me. I am out of control for that. You can't arrest me for that. If I'm arrested, then talk to me. Then I'll come with you to the station.
She had allegedly gotten into an altercation at a bar and had also spat on a woman.
She needs to at least not drive. Get her an Uber home.
The only one that I see is intoxicated is you right now. Okay?
That's fine. Let her drive drunk. Let her drive drunk. Let her drive drunk.
Don't be walking anywhere.
Let
You're
her drive drunk.
31 here.
Let her drive drunk. That's on you. Dude, do you understand that she's
Man, come over
drunk?
here. Come back to the squad car.
Don't touch me like that.
I don't want you to get hit.
Don't touch me.
I don't want you to get...
I can walk.
Walk back
I'm very
here.
well okay
walk
to
back
walk.
over here, then. Walk back over here. Walk back over here.
I'm gonna walk to the side of the road
You're
like
going to
a
walk
person.
over to my squad car.
No, unless you have me under arrest. No, I'm not.
I'm going to detain you for your safety in a minute here. Because
Okay,
we're in the middle of
I'm
31.
not safe right here, sir.
Someone's going to get hurt.
I am not safe right now. Drive drunk.
Stop.
Do you understand that I called the cops?
You're going to get hurt.
Do you realize that I called the cops?
You're going to get one of us
That's
killed
my
here.
phone.
Do you understand?
Do you understand that I called the cops to my mom? And I took the keys from her? You're doing the wrong thing and you can't arrest me because I'll call Todd Cohen and Donahue and you're so don't with me.
Don't give me that.
Don't touch me. What is wrong with you?
Get in the car.
Are you serious?
You're now detained.
No, you're about to be detained because you want to know something. You're hurting me.
You're detained.
I didn't do anything.
You're detained.
Okay, are you going to keep touching my tits? Stop touching my boobs.
Oh, stop it.
Then get off of me, weirdo.
Stop. Put your arms behind your back.
Me. What the f is wrong with you?
Put your arms behind your back.
No, I didn't do anything wrong.
Can I get some assistance out here?
Please. Yes, please.
Soon, backup arrived to assist the officer, as the woman was becoming more aggressive.
What is Stop touching me. Stop touching me or I'm going to sue the out of you. Is this worth
But you put your arms behind your back.
Your son and daughter?
You put your arms behind your back
done.
now.
You're so done.
Put your arms behind your
You
back.
don't know how done you are.
Put your arms behind your back. You're resisting. Stop it.
No, I'm not. I'm protecting myself.
Put your arms behind your back.
And I know the sheriff right here. So keep touching me.
Sure you do.
Are you serious? You're done.
You keep saying that, but you're still not cooperating.
If you touch me again, you're done.
You stop it.
Touching me. Stop touching me.
I'm being nice right now,
I
believe it or
have not
not.
touched you, have I? Then don't touch me. I have not touched you.
You're going to get us killed in the middle of Route 31
here. No, you're going to get yourself killed.
I told you.
Because I am just literally trying to help my mother, and you are touching me.
Get in the car.
No,
Get in the car then.
No, I don't need to do anything. Dude, what is your problem? I'm suing you.
Get in the car.
I am suing you if you choke me one more
car.
time. I am suing you. Don't touch me. Do you have a reason to arrest me, sir?
Get in the car.
Do you have a reason to arrest me and choke me?
Yes,
and hurt
for
me?
battery.
Yeah? You think so? Because
Yes.
you're battering me, because I'm going to sue and charge you. Don't touch me. What is wrong with you, psychopath?
Fucking car.
I want the sheriff. Hello, please help. Please help.
Get in the car.
No, ma'am.
Get in the
Ma'am,
car.
I haven't done anything wrong. Look at his camera.
Okay, yeah.
I haven't touched him. And he's
cuffs on
touching
her.
my boobs.
Would you help me
Bro.
grab?
No.
Ma'am,
Can you listen to me?
Listen.
Listen to me.
Ma'am.
Can you please listen
She's
to
from
me
the
one
fire
time?
Listen.
I don't give a I haven't touched you.
You just told me you battered her.
Don't ever touch my tits again.
I'm not touching
Don't
your
ever
tits. Turn around.
Yeah, you're gonna break my wrist now? Are you serious?
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
For what?
For right now, aggravated battery to an officer.
Oh, really? Check your camera on.
Oh, turn away from me and stay right here.
Okay. Is your battery on?
Get your foot off of me. Yes,
Oh,
this is
okay.
being audio and video recorded.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Because you just hurt me.
Good. All right.
You're done, dude.
Have a seat.
Are you serious? Don't touch my face. Don't put your hand on my face.
Don't turn towards me.
Stand by, CJ.
I never touched you to begin with. You touched me, remember?
You would not listen and comply.
Have a seat.
Because I don't need to. I didn't do anything.
Have a seat into the car.
Better. You even admit it.
Elbows. You're gonna
Stop resisting.
Dude, do you
Stop
understand?
grabbing a hold of me.
Nick,
Stop grabbing a hold of me.
I will.
Your feet in the
You
squad
are
car.
hurting me.
And you are trying to hurt me. So
Oh,
put
really?
your feet in the car. Have a seat.
Let go of me.
You're under arrest.
Let
Put your
go
feet
of
in
me.
the car. Have a seat now.
No,
Put your feet in
No.
the car. Have
No.
a seat now.
I will not. You're hurting me. I asked you to please let go of my arms. I'm short. I am short. Do you understand how tall I am? That's fine. That's fine. I'm not hurting or doing anything wrong.
I am the commander of the Crystal Lake Police
You're a
Department.
commander.
Put your
You're
feet
smashing
in the
my
squad
face
car.
into this too?
Put your
You're
feet
smashing
into
my
the
face.
squad car. See right here? Put your feet in there.
I
Have a
can't
seat
do
now.
that. Sir,
Put
can
your
I-
feet
sir,
in the squad car and
can I
have a
speak
seat.
with you, please?
Put your feet in the
May
car.
I
In
speak
the
with you?
squad
You can do it
car.
once
Have
you
a
get in the
seat.
car.
That's
Okay?
okay.
We can talk, but you have to get in the car first, okay?
I don't give a shit if I'm arrested, but I would like to talk to you.
Okay, we can talk.
See, got Crystal Lake too. If that was
I haven't done anything wrong.
Go in the car.
You
and
know
then we
what,
can
dude?
talk.
All I know is I'm going to talk to Donahue, and this...
That's
dude,
fine.
do you
That's fine. In the meantime, you need to have a seat.
Cohen and Donahue, and you want to know something, dude?
Have a seat in the car. We can talk then.
That's
Yes,
not
we
right.
can talk.
Have a
That's not
seat
right.
in the car.
We can talk, but you have to
talk
get in the
then.
car
Fine,
first.
let go of me.
We will.
I
once
can
you
get.
start
I'm
it.
very well capable
Okay,
of getting in the
have a
car, and I have
seat. Go ahead,
lupus.
okay?
Okay.
And you are
Go ahead,
hurting
have a
me.
seat.
Okay.
Stop.
We're just holding on to your hands and your arms.
Sir,
have a
are
seat
you the
in the
sheriff?
squad car.
No, we're Crystal Lake. Just
Have
have
a
a
seat.
Can you
seat.
ask him
in
to
the
let his
squad
hands
car.
off me, and I will get in the car?
She inflicted a significant injury on the officer by digging her nails into him and repeatedly kicking him, while showing no signs of cooperation.
Let go of my hand
Let
now.
go of me.
Let go of my hand now.
Or what?
We're going to put you in a restraint
Where
device called
is
the
the
RAP,
sheriff?
just so you know, okay? We're
I
going to
want.
put you in a
I'm waiting for
restraint
the
device.
sheriff because I haven't done
called
a thing wrong, and I'm an
Apply.
American sovereign citizen.
Have a
And
seat in the squad car, Samantha.
be mad.
Samantha, have a seat in the squad car.
Be mad, dude.
Have a seat.
I haven't done anything wrong. That's why you guys are cowards and can't do anything.
Have a seat in the squad
And
car,
you aren't.
Samantha.
You aren't. You're a good person.
Okay, just do me a favor.
No, I
Get in
don't
the
need
car.
to.
Okay.
I haven't done anything wrong.
All right, go talk to them.
Go
And
sit
you
in the car.
want to? You know where we're at this as a country
We're
right
going to
now?
back away. There's a
As
PVT
the
right
country,
there.
yeah, that's
You
right.
guys wanna go on the
Let me
other
talk
side.
to a boss. I haven't done wrong. And you want to know why you got in a fight? Because she headbutted me and she said she was a communist and she was everybody was in the communist.
I saw it on video.
So be very mad at me for being an
Hey, she's
American.
bleeding on her elbow just enough wide. Roger.
Yeah, from your great officer. So this is what being American looks like.
All right.
Do you understand that?
Go from this side.
It's sad.
Yeah, I
I want to
guess
weep
so.
for this.
Well, the only
very
problem
sad.
is Myers all the way up.
Let
Let go of
go
my
of
hand.
me, you're hurting
Do not
me.
grab my hand. Do you understand me?
Don't
Do not put your
touch
nails
me.
into my
I don't
hand.
have nails.
Do not.
Stop touching me.
Do not grab my hand.
Can you please help me?
Okay.
No, you let him go.
Have a seat.
Get in the car.
Have a seat. Have
I'm
a seat
waiting
in
for
the
the
squad
sheriff.
car. The sheriff's not coming. Oh, now she's kicking. All right. Got her hands once. Make sure the rear camera's on for me.
Yeah.
Even after arriving at the jail, she continued to be aggressive toward the police.
Hey, I don't know what your name is. Are you gonna cooperate
I
with us?
don't know who you are, but I know that you shoved my face into that door for a reason.
I'm the sergeant.
I don't want to talk to you.
I don't care. I'm the sergeant.
Okay.
Are you going to cooperate with us? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, because if you don't, then we're going to take
I'm
you straight to
calling my
county.
lawyer.
Great. We're going to take you straight to county instead
Cool,
of...
and they're going to let me
cooperate.
out, and you're going to have to do a whole
they're-
bunch of
they're
paperwork.
not-
Do you understand that I'm a
you're
felon?
getting-
I have been through the system, and guess what? I'm telling you that not because I'm cocky.
You're another one tonight, too.
Because
You're getting another felony tonight.
Good luck, dude. Good
No, you're getting two
luck.
of them, actually.
Because you want to know something? Good luck. I don't have to say dude.
I don't want
my
you.
makeup is on your car.
I'm tired of hearing you talk
My
anyway.
makeup is on your car.
Okay.
My makeup is on your car.
So listen, we're just going to...
I don't like you.
I don't care.
I'm not going to touch anybody.
Good.
I don't need to touch anybody like you.
So
Unlike you,
what we're gonna
I don't
do-
need to hurt other people
We're
to
gonna
make
get you
myself
out.
feel better.
Okay, we're going to get you
Yeah,
out.
I know that. Because guess what? You have no other way to hold me. It's not your thing.
Fingerprint
It's just
you?
called the law, bruh. Goodbye.
Okay.
Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
No, we need to get you out.
Oh, you think you're so cool? No, you're not getting me out. If you could, you would have me in prison. But you can't, because you're a loser that smashed my head. And guess what? I'm gonna get you sued.
Put you back in.
I'm putting you.
Come on in. We're gonna take you.
Do you want to know you're so sued?
Come on.
Touch me again. I dare you. Keep hurting me.
Come on.
Keep hurting me. I cannot wait to sue you. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Look at my elbows from these guys. And I haven't done. That's why they're letting me go, man. You sure? Yes. That's actually, I can do that. Can you get an arm off me? Because I have hurting me.
Yep.
Stop touching me.
There you go.
Right there.
What's your name?
Stay right there.
What's your name?
Dude, honestly,
your name?
I'm done with this.
What's your name?
Have him stop grabbing me
What's
like
your,
that.
I don't know what your name is. What's your name?
I'm not giving him it. I don't have to. I'm not arrested.
Okay.
I am not arrested.
Take care of it.
All right.
Search her, please.
Stop touching me. I'm not doing this all day, dude. Because I'm going to sue the out of this county.
Sounds
I'm
good.
done,
Put
dude.
your hand on the wall.
No, I have a lupus and he's honestly hurting
Put your
me.
hand on the wall.
I will do that if you ask me to.
We asked you to 5 times.
No, he's hurting
Okay, well, just
me.
hold your
I
hand
will
on the
put
wall.
my hand on the wall.
That's all I need you to do.
Do you understand that? Like,
Stay there.
you
Hand on
see
the
this
wall.
guy?
Look.
Hand on the
Dude,
wall.
I will literally put my hand on the wall.
Stay
Put your
there.
hand on the
I
wall.
can only go this far.
Okay, there you go. There you go.
Dude,
Easy
I
enough.
can't do that.
Easy enough.
Do you have anything on you?
Do you understand? Like, I don't want problems.
Do you have anything on
Okay,
you?
I understand.
Again, absolutely no. Except my
Take your shoes off.
American
Hey.
sovereign
You gotta
citizen
take your
rights.
shoes off, okay?
No, I don't want to hurt anyone's feelings. That's like the business that I'm in is actually not hurting anyone's feelings.
Well, you want to start again? I don't know what your
Check
name
your
is.
socks. Here, we gotta take your rings off, okay? Gotta take your rings off.
Get
Put them
it?
right
Can you
there.
please get him away from me?
You gotta take. I will.
He smashed my lip for
I
no
understand.
reason.
You gotta
I'm
take
over
those
it.
rings off, okay?
Please, can you just go away? Your
No.
officers have me here.
So, look, you gotta take your rings off. Put them in here, okay?
Am I arrested?
Yes, you are under arrest.
Oh, okay, for what?
Wasn't out there.
Okay,
I'm just
but
here.
unless I
2
know
counts
what
of
I'm being...
aggravated battery to a police
Can you
officer.
please tell me what I'm arrested for?
2 counts of aggravated battery to a police officer.
I haven't touched anybody though.
Okay, let's just get through this, though.
Sir?
Okay? Let's just get through
Sir.
this. Can you please take your
I have
rings
not
off?
touched anyone.
Samantha, can you please take your
Yes,
rings off? Okay.
but if you could tell me why.
I will explain it to you as soon as you take off your property, okay? We have to get those rings off you.
Fine,
okay?
you're doing your job, I understand. Castrated men
Okay, well, let's
touching
just...
me.
Okay, let's... all the rings, okay? 2.
Weirdo creep, dude.
The other one right there on your finger.
Go get
Right there.
remarried, back.
Hey, right there.
And she's kind of hot.
Hey, right there. Hey, that one too.
Why don't you, like,
No,
talk
no.
to her? She's cute.
Take this
That one
off.
right there.
Officers decided to place her in a cell until the processing was complete.
That's, you know what? She's a got bigger energy than you, so you couldn't handle that. Amen to you. You're a queen.
Okay, all right.
I'm being dead ass serious. You're beautiful.
Okay, all right. What? Is
That's
there,
a fact,
can you get that
though.
nose ring out?
Take
No,
that out.
I really can't.
Can I take it out?
No, unless you have, like, actual.
You're arrested for 2 counts of
I know, but
aggravated
have you
battery.
seen any count of it on camera?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Because I'm pretty sure. Alright.
What is that from?
Come here, your sheriff there.
What happened?
Your sheriff shoving me into a car door.
Who did?
The inside of a car door, by the way. Your sheriff. And I cannot wait to call my lawyer. Can I call my lawyer?
Yeah, you can in just a second. Give us 1 second.
Because you know that I don't belong in here at all.
Cell 3.
You want to know that I called you guys also? Hand. I called
gotta
him.
go in
Okay,
here.
I'm going.
Cell 3.
But also, sir,
We gotta go in
I'm
cell
going
3.
in. I don't give a
Thank you.
but also.
Come.
You know what though?
Oh. Come.
Sir, I'm going to.
Thank you.
Question.
Yeah, okay.
Shut it. We're not
All
talking.
right. Thank you.
Really cool.
Thank you, miss.
I'm just here to get you information.
I mean, I guess.
It's Samantha, right?
I guess.
Your first name?
Are you okay? I guess. Oh, it says that.
Last name? Last name? Last name? That's your last name? Okay. You don't want to give me anything? Okay. So just Samantha. Alright, sounds good. Sounds good. Samantha?
Samantha, we're gonna get you out of here, okay?
That's right, you are.
All right. Well, look.
And I'm not going to touch you.
Okay. All right.
That's
Okay.
We're going to send complaints up there
All right.
after you get...
Samantha, look. Listen to me. Okay.
I'm angry.
I know, but not at me. I know. Not at me though.
I will not
All right,
be doing
Samantha.
anything
Look.
to resist.
All right. What I need you to do is just put your hands back behind your back. Back
Hey,
behind your back. Turn
Samantha,
around.
what's up?
Okay.
I'm Jen.
Hi, John.
Okay. Turn around. Put your hands back.
I trust this guy.
Okay. All right. Good. Right here. Right there.
Is this your fucking shirt? Please tell me it's your shirt.
You know that I actually do like
You
you.
do, really? You got a funny way of showing it.
Yeah, total love.
Oh.
He
Well,
wants,
hey.
he wants to make
That's
sure
that's nice. That's nice. I'm not gonna do anything weird, dude. I'm getting out. When I'm gonna bust out of getting out? Here. Don't. Dude.
Look, hey, look.
Bruh, it hurts.
So make sure
I don't
you're
get,
comfortable,
ma'am,
okay?
honestly, please just go away. I'm not trying to be rude to you, but I'm angry and it doesn't deserve to be taken out on you. You're a beautiful young lady,
Likewise.
okay? Literally, and everything that I say, I don't mean to you.
Thank you for the
Honestly.
preface. People have been really mean to me
Dude,
today.
I'm not trying to be mean to you. You're gorgeous, you're sweet.
Likewise.
You don't
We're going to
deserve
be
it.
stuck together for the next little bit
That's
of time.
fine. I don't want to be mean to you, so I'm telling you.
Likewise.
All right, well,
I'm very cooperative.
I got you.
Okay. Dude, I'm not getting out of anything, because guess what? You're letting me out anyway.
I know, that's why we have to go, Samantha. We're just going to go over here, okay?
And you're so sweet and cute. You guys better treat him well.
Yeah, I had him
That's
double.
the way we should.
I had him double because she's getting August, but